Good day everyone. In this video, I show you how to create a program that use if string method or string format in Python. E equals str15. This line assigns the string value 15 to the variable a, even though it looks like a number. It's treated as text because of the string function. Next, b equals and 20. This line assigns the integer value 20 to the variable b. The end function converts the string 20 into an integer. Next, c equals float 3.5. This line assigns the floating point value 3.5 to the variable c. The float function ensures that c is treated as a decimal number. Next, e equals and equals a. This line converts the string value of a, which was 15, into an integer and assign it back to a. Now a holds the integer value 15. Next, total equals e plus b plus c. This line calculates the sum of e, b, and c, which are now all numerical values 15, 20, and 3.5, respectively, and assigns the result to the variable total. The sum is 15 plus 20 plus 3.5 equals 38.5. So next, print f the sum of a and c is total to f. This line also prints a formatted string, but it uses the format method. Are placeholders that will be replaced by the value passed to the format method. 2f is a format specifier that tells Python to format the floating point number with 2 decimal places. So next, print the sum of and is format A, B, C, total. So, here's the output.